Okay, so now these are my go-to earbuds, and I truly mean that. Yes, I have a lot of stuff from Skullcandy, meaning I bought it with my own money. They didn't send it or pay me, but I bought it with my own money because Skullcandy is really one of those brands when it comes to earphones, earbuds, and headphones that they do not joke around. And these ones did not let me down at all. These are up to 12 hours of battery that you say here. Control the music and calls, and you have water resistance of IPX4. You have the auto connection, of course, when you're already turned on. And yes, they have the tile function that you can find them if you lose them through the app. Absolutely, I love that feature. Now, let me take them out. Yes, these are called the Dime 2. That's their actually designated name. It's Dime 2. Let me take them off the box and see what's inside in reality. So, really nice packaging, by the way. That's the charger. Really nice design by the charger. It goes in both ways, so you don't need to flip it around in USB-A. Just plug it wherever it fits and it goes in. Yes, it's a micro USB on the other side. This is what we have in the package. 2 rubber tips. Looks like it's the big ones here on top and the small ones here towards the bottom. The lanyard that goes in the box, and you can hang it to your keychain. That's a really nice touch, by the way, if you want to hang the whole packaging to the keychain. So this is the package itself. Really nice and tiny. The earphones or earbuds actually protrude through the box. These rubbers are part of the earbuds themselves. As you see right here, it has a little battery inside this box, and the batteries inside them already. And when I lift this up, you'll see a light turn on right here. I hope you saw that. Yep, now they're in pairing mode. Let me take the other one out too. And the same thing right there, as you saw, blue. And the box now is ready to be put on the side. And yes, the lanyard, let me show you. This is actually really cool. You put it right here and you go to the other side, just like this. And let's say you want to hold it with you in your car keys. For example, let me just undo this one real quick. Boom. You put it through here, and it is actually as tiny as a car key. That's hilarious. And now you have it on your car keys. This is actually so... That is very cool. That's well thought. Let me put these back in just to see how it actually looks with the keys in. Boom. And it's water resistant. So now you have your car. You don't know which one was the car key now and which one is not. Look at that. It's almost the same as the car keys. This well thought, Skullcandy. You really done a good design on this one. Look at that. Really tiny latch, really tiny touch, huh? But goes far away when you're talking about a small detail that you can hold this with you on your car keys or house keys or whatnot that you have. Isn't that beautiful? Really creative. I love when companies are creative. And yes, on the back we have a plastic with more information. If you want, you can leave it, or you can do what I just did here and reveal the beautiful logo of Skullcandy right here. And besides that, let me connect them real quick to my phone so we can turn them on like that. Okay. And to put them in pair mode, you just take them out of the box. Just like this, and they go automatically in pair mode, so they should be listed on your phone right away, or computer, whatever you might be using. And here, as you see, Dime 2 is right there on top. Just click it, and when it says pair, just click pair. And as you see, it's right there, Dime 2 black, and we are ready to go play some music if we wish so. And this is one of my own songs. Let me push forward. The sound goes up just like that. They are actually quite loud. I don't think you can hear them through this microphone, but they're actually blaring. And the bass on them is absolutely beautiful. And one more thing I gotta say about these. The microphone is not bad at all. It's actually pretty good. But what I love about them is the clarity they have between bass, highs, mids, and lows. Absolutely great quality. Seriously, you feel like you're in a studio, or you're putting some studio quality earpieces or headphones. This is how good they actually are. Really amazing. And they have a button here on the back that you can click if you want to, and you can use it for a lot of things to turn them on and off if you want to do that manually. You can play and pause, you can answer calls, and yes, both of them have that little button under this rubber, just like that. That's a button. So besides that, I really love these. They're really that good. And no, they were not sent to me by Skullcandy. They did not pay me. They don't even know if I exist. I just love Skullcandy headphones and earphones, and that's why I'm showing these ones to you as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it entertaining and informative. And please like and subscribe if you don't mind. Link will be down in the description, and we'll see you next time. Bye!